Hello, hello, beautiful people. This is your preview, your launch lesson for Monday, May the 4th. And for this wonderful Star Wars people, I don't know. Sorry, guys. You can get the reference. So, May the 4th, what we're going to be doing is simplifying radicals. I want you to do that part first based upon the notes that you should have taken ahead of time. That was last Monday's homework assignment. And so there's not a lot of problems there: 13, 21, 23, 29, 39, 41, and 45. And then if you need any help with that, I would love to Zoom with you from 12:30 to 1 o'clock. If they ask you, the code is going to be 0405. If you know me, you know why. And then you're going to turn in that assignment by 2 o'clock on Monday. Some of us are in the habit of waiting and doing it kind of like whenever you want to, but it really messes up my time. And I think we might kind of need to not take as much late work. So come join me at 12 o'clock or 12:30, or if you need some help, please, with cherry on top. After that, you can do the video notes, and then there's a printable version for those if you want it. The link for the notes is on here, the printable and the video. You can see on here that the video is only 12 minutes long. And then the launch for Zoom, the link for our Zoom meeting is there as well. And then I would also love for you to do attendance for May the 4th as well. You can mark yourself as present or here, or if you have a Star Wars movie that you would like to invite me to watch on my own, obviously, just give me some encouragement because I don't know where to start with that. I know some of you have told me, but I don't remember anymore because it was in passing, and now I have extra time. So maybe time to get started with that. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope that you're having a great day. And miss you much. Come stop by the Zoom, if only to say hi or drop me an email. But love to meet with you guys on Monday, May the 4th, so we can do all of these problems. Thank you so much. Appreciate you guys. Bye bye.